I work in the curriculum training and training team of Antaram. My main role is currently to work on student products, majorly the WhatsApp chatbot that we have. So I, yes, spend a lot of time on Glyphic. The chatbot is a tool that is offered to students. So outside of the program, when they're not in a class or something, this is something that is shared with them as a resource that you can look up career information, you can look at stories of people who have also been alumni and now are successful in their careers. And just in general to engage with careers beyond the classroom. So sometimes even if like you've missed a session, we tell them that you can go and look this up in chatbot. Like you weren't there the day that the aptitude test was done, you can still do this through the chatbot. So Antaran's chatbot was launched in 2021, and at that time it was a lot of change happening in the way information is delivered. Like education happens also. A lot of schools, teachers were integrating like WhatsApp and websites and stuff because of the aftermath of the whole COVID-19 situation. And so at that time also Antaram was doing things online. So we were conducting workshops online, our sessions online as well. And one thing was noticed that when conducting workshops, we were in a lot of WhatsApp groups. So it becomes very difficult to manually send updates and messages to every group. So one thing the chatbot changed for that was to enable us to have one common platform. Like students can on their own see, okay, if you can just go to like, okay, workshop section and say, okay, these are the workshops, these are times and details. So we can deliver that more efficiently to a lot more users. And it was also noticed that students were active on WhatsApp. Like sometimes if we had like an online meeting, a session, students who weren't necessarily responsive or like didn't answer much or turn on their videos and all, weren't really engaging in the session. After the session, if they sent like a small activity to do or like a test on WhatsApp, they would respond to that. So this was an avenue for this was a new avenue for learning for students. And so in order to reach more students and provide these opportunities like the workshops that we conduct or different sessions with speakers, industry exposure and stuff. So to enable that, bring that to more students and sort of reduce the manual time spent on it. And so that anyone at any point has this one resource that they can go to for career guidance. We thought of the chatbot as, because WhatsApp is something everyone has on their phone already. Another holdback that comes when there's a bit of technology, if it's a different app. I mean, everyone nowadays wants to have an app for everything, but there's a lot of hesitation before downloading. That's a lot of investment. But WhatsApp is one. It's a platform you already know. Total, we have over 50,000 users on the chatbot, and this is since 2021. They've been building up, and like I said, it's not like a compulsory thing in the program. So there is, a section of students that are on the chatbot versus students that have not used it. So we would like, of course, most students to be on the chatbot. Like, at least whoever's in the program, they use this as a tool also, so that they can retain the things that they learn in the classroom better, and so that they're more they're more involved in making their career decision. Like, we're not trying to tell people like, okay, this is the career for you. We're not giving them like a set of, okay, these are the 3 choices, you have to do this. It's more about students themselves taking the initiative and having that agency to say, okay, these are the choices that I want. We want the chatbot to be for anyone. It shouldn't like, even right now, it's not made in a way that you have to have been there for the school sessions that we have to be able to understand the content of the channel. And we want to keep building it in a way that it's still it's still open to all. It's still anyone can understand it. Anyone can use it, even if they're. Right now also we are more student focused, but since we're Sing for All, like how do students, sorry, how do teachers or parents or even our facilitators, how do they use the chatbot to um, either understand careers, in order to like give someone advice, or to understand the world of careers and the world of work more, in order to either to guide someone or even for themselves, right? Or just to build their own knowledge of careers as well. Spaces like the Glyphic Sprint and these workshops and all definitely help, because I think we sometimes come across use cases or ways of using a feature already on Glyphic that we might not have thought of before. A different way of using like A/B testing feature and so on. So these spaces definitely help. Even as a platform, I think the team has always been open to us coming up, just coming to them with the problem and saying, okay, this is something that we want to get done through the chatbot. How do we do it? And then coming up with solutions. So I think that sort of approachability, that helps a lot. And often it does happen that honestly, even I am not like from a tech background as such, but Glyphic is a platform that doesn't require you know coding or anything like that. So I think having these workshops and having this sort of even one-on-one time with the team, in which we're understanding how to do things on the platform, or seeing what all sort of techniques and things that we can apply.